Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock Solid Snake in Rainbow Six Siege. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and unlock Solid Snake, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, the only way currently to unlock Solid Snake is by purchasing the Battle Pass. Now, if you don't want to purchase the Battle Pass, you can wait until the early access ends in 12 hours and 2 minutes. And I believe after this, you will be able to purchase him with, credits. I would assume he's going to be 20,000 because he's new, or 20. I don't know if 25,000 is the most expensive, but it should be 20,000. So you guys can go ahead and purchase him for 20,000 credits. So I recommend just waiting for, the early access to finish if you don't want to buy the Battle Pass. But that should basically be it. So that is it for the video. That is how to purchase or unlock Solid Snake. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and have a great day.